Well, I'm parked for the night. It's still fairly early. It's been kind of a weird day. I got loaded. I'm rushing to get to Miami and get out of this cold weather, but I'm running low on fuel, and for some reason, my fuel cards ain't working. So I'm sitting here in Walcock, Iowa, at the world's largest truck stop. It's called the I-80 truck stop. I don't know if it's the world's largest. They advertise it as the world's largest. I'm going to walk in a second. But this is a good as place as any to park for the night until I can get a hold of someone in the morning to fix my fuel card. For some reason, it's not letting me fuel because of my trailer number or something. I don't know what it is. But I've been sitting here thinking of video games that could be made with Google Glass and stuff like that. Just coming up with stupid ideas. See, I think the reason I can't get fuel is because this number has a V at the end of it. And you can't alphabetically you can't put alphabetical numbers at the gas pumps or diesel pumps. And this is a pretty big truck stop, but inside, there's a lot of truck stops that are bigger, I think. They advertise like they're the largest in the world, but like if you're in Missouri or something, there's a Petro that I believe is just as big. Maybe not the parking lot. Holy cow, look at the size of this truck. I'm gonna walk up on it. That thing has the whole house behind it. That's a big sleeper. He's probably got a bathroom, a kitchen, everything in there. That thing's big. That's a house on wheels. Nice. Man, I really wanted to get out of this cold weather. There is a flood warning, but I don't think it's gonna rain. Probably not going to talk too much once I get inside. People will think I'm talking to myself. But they do got a nice display. I'll walk around inside and let everybody kind of see. In the meantime, I got like 3 TV shows downloading onto my telephone. So once I get back to my truck, I'm gonna be able to enjoy some Hell's Kitchen, I guess. Open. Here we go. I'm at the world's largest truck stop. here by all these flashing lights.
Lower, where it normally should be at.
A lot of cool lights. I wish my truck looked that good. Anyway, well, that's this part of the floor. Let's go see what's in the upper levels.
Starting to crack.
I had tried everything.
What is this? I heard Ozzy. Didn't look that good.
Down here is where your things of music would be in this guy. There's your Baltimore truck, bro.
Yeah, this is what every truck driver wants. Marbles. And it looks like up here, just a food court.
Oh, they both like to throw, don't they?
Well, that's it. I'm not going to really go too much more. Getting bored. TV shows could be downloaded. Just kind of wanted to show everybody the inside. Anyway, okay, I can almost stop whispering now. Oh, I don't care, people hear me. Anyway, this is me signing off from the world's largest truck stop, Walcock, Iowa. I wonder if they got guitar strings. I need. There's some cool ass picks right here. Collectibles. They're pieces of shit though. Wow. Okay, so this is a pretty good test. This video's been going on for 12 minutes and 45 seconds. And the side of my head is not burning off. So that's pretty good. My initial impressions when I first did the unboxing of this Google Glass was I was a little bit disappointed, thinking that this was not the updated pair. But I guess it is. Google contacted me, and the serial numbers do match up with the updated pair. So, I mean, I'm extremely happy because 13 minutes into a video, so far there's no stuttering that I could see, no overheating, and everything seems to be working pretty smooth. So, I am not planning on exchanging these for any, even if it is for a new color. I'm just going to keep these for now until the foil messes up, because I'm really happy. And with Halloween Horror Nights coming up in about 2 weeks, shoot, these are going to work perfect. Look at that awesome cloud. I shouldn't have gave my damn camera away, because it would take a better picture of that than my phone or my Google Glass can. Let me cross this road real fast. But I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for now. Sorry I was quiet inside. I feel insecure walking around talking to myself. Well, actually talking on camera when other people are walking around. But I'll let everybody go, and as I walk back to my truck, I'll probably record a Q&A tomorrow once I get some questions. I don't even think anybody's going to watch this video 15 minutes in, but if you do, thanks for sticking around. Talk to y'all later. Bye.